T400 AI-powered driver assistance 4K dash cam. Sold by TYPE S. Capture every angle with the TYPE S T400 PLUS 4K front and 1080p rear dash cam. Enhance road safety with the blind spot warning feature, alerting you to hidden vehicles. AI-powered front and rear collision warning alerts you to potential collisions for quick responses. Lane departure warning uses AI sensors to notify you of lane deviations, ensuring safer driving. Stay on track with the stop-and-go reminder, prompting you to move at traffic stops. Pedestrian detection provides timely alerts for pedestrians, adding an extra layer of protection. Smart incident recording secures crucial footage during accidents, safeguarding it from being overwritten. Rated 4.4 stars. Order today for $249.99.
Get 24-hour surveillance for your vehicle with Park and Record mode. When hardwired, the TYPE S 4K car cam's built-in G sensor automatically awakens and captures a 20-second video when an impact or collision is detected, making sure the evidence footage is secure even when your car is parked and turned off. In the event of accidents or collisions, the built-in G sensor will autonomously preserve, secure, and relocate the video to a distinct folder, safeguarding it from being overwritten by loop recording. This ensures that you can still access the incident footage even after several months, should you require it as evidence for insurance claims. Powered by cutting-edge technology, this smart system powered by advanced driver assistance is designed to identify pedestrians in your vehicle's path, providing an extra layer of protection. Whether day or night, the dashcam's precision ensures timely alerts, allowing you to respond swiftly and avoid potential hazards. Stay vigilant at traffic stops as the AI dashcam by TYPE S recognizes when the car ahead starts moving while you're still. Our intelligent reminder keeps you on track, gently prompting you to get moving and prevent any traffic disruption. The lane departure warning built into the TYPE S AI series dashcam uses AI-triggered advanced sensors to monitor your vehicle's lane position. If any deviation is detected, it issues a prompt alert, enhancing driving safety by notifying you of deviations and potentially preventing lane-related incidents. The TYPE S ADAS dashcam features front and rear collision warning, a smart system that alerts you when you're too close to the car in front or if a vehicle behind is approaching too quickly. Using advanced driver assistance algorithms, it provides real-time warnings, enabling quick responses and enhancing overall road safety. The TYPE S AI series dashcam incorporates a crucial blind spot warning feature to improve road safety. This system actively monitors the vehicle's blind spots, alerting the driver to the presence of other vehicles in these hard-to-see areas. Using visual or audible signals, the dashcam provides timely warnings, prompting the driver to exercise caution during lane changes or maneuvers. The TYPE S T400 PLUS features a front-facing 4K dashcam and an optional 1080p rear camera. This dual-camera setup empowers you to capture both the front and rear perspectives of your vehicle while driving, significantly enhancing safety. With this comprehensive coverage, you have access to crucial evidence in the unfortunate event of accidents.
A crash can happen in an instant. Be prepared for the TYPE S AI dashcam, now with front collision warning.
I need this cord.
Guys, calm down.
Give it back, I want this cord.
Hey, I said knock it off.
You can't have eyes in the back of your head, but you can with the AI dashcam from TYPE S, now with lane departure warning.
Okay, now go ahead and merge.
Backseat drivers, they're the worst. Replace yours with an AI dashcam from TYPE S, now with blind spot detection.
Say goodbye to blind spots and hello to spot-on driving with the TYPE S AI dashcam, now with driver assistance mirroring on your smartphone.
Rated 4.4 stars. Order today for $249.99.